Kunwari, turista. Nakapag-freshen up na tayo ng konti. Nakapagpahinga na ng konti. Now, let's explore downtown. Time check, 3:40 p.m. Ang daming flowers dito, guys. Ang ganda. Yung mga flowers, ang gaganda. I'll show you. 1 second. Look at the dahlias, babe. Look at here. Hang on. Diba? Looky, look. Wow, laki. As big as my face. How beautiful are these dahlias? Oh my, ang lalaki nila. Diba? Super laki. Super ganda. Dito naman red. Oh, meron silang memorial. Afghanistan 2001 to 2014. So pretty. Anong bet mong food, Beb? Hanap tayo. Sa downtown banda. Maraming ano.
The back alley, Thai food.
Thai, no.
Huh?
Something ano lang. Hanap tayo. There, guys. Blue Dog Cafe.
Oh.
So pretty. This is their theater. Sinong kinasal dito? Oh. Invermere Film Org. Wow. Nice day. Tingnan nyo guys, ang park nila. Ang ganda. Oh, grabe. It has lots of flowers. Beautiful. Yeah, later we'll go for ice cream here. Sa tapat ng The Bistro. Wow. Daming flowers. Ito yung The Bakery. Ito yung liquor store. Gusto mo tumawid, Beb? Tawid tayo. Bango. Oh. Welcome to Invermere. Hi guys! Tapos na kumain. Time check 5:01 p.m. Sarap. Ribs and pizza for dinner. Thank you, Lord, for the gift, for the blessings. Oh, may show, may music somewhere. It's coming from somewhere. Explore naman tayo. Magpababa ng kinain. Ah, ito yung ano nila, post office. Yung may flag. There's a show? Oh, ito. This ones. Ito pala yun. Oh, wow. Good job, guys. I really thought there was a show.
We're the pre-show.
Oh. Magtatapang-tapangan kami, guys. Pupunta kami sa Windermere Lake. Oh, by car it's 12-minute driving, but by walking siguro, I don't know. It's 10 kilometers anyway, so we'll see. Uy. Ayan guys ang mga real estates sa Windermere. Oh. Depende rin sa ano, location. May 2.6 million, may 279,000, may 1.7, 1.1, may 269 o 339, depends. Bili na kayo. Guys, look at the lilacs. Huge, so pretty. They smell so nice too. Ako ang videographer, siya ang photographer. Ano nandito sa baba? Init? Siguro it's about 29 degrees, ganyan, no? Hot, hot, hot! But we're not complaining! Ganda guys, look at this. Oh, beautiful. They have a very beautiful library. The front of their library is giving. Look. We'll go closer. Nagsisearch pa si Habi kaya lilipat tayo. Look at their library. Flowers galore. Look. Wow. Oh my. Never. Yan, malapit na tayo sa lake. Time check, 5:21 p.m. Ayun, babe. Yun yung James Chabot. Baka yan yun. Ayan na yung lake eh. Across the bridge. Railway sa baba. Woohoo! Sa wakas, nasa lilim na. For the meantime, anyway. Maraming ano dito. Siguro merong yacht club dito. Bango. May helicopter pa. Tomcat. Wow, boat. Ganda. May naamoy akong food. It smells nice. Private residences la pala din ni babe. Welcome to James Chabot Provincial Park. Baka naman French yan, hindi Chabot ang pronunciation. Pwede mag-swimming, mag-sightseeing, may fishing ba? Baka swimming lang. Ito guys, ang beach nila. Oh, di ba? Oh, I'll go here. 1 sec. Wow. Hi guys. Oh. How cold is the water?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Not bad? Wow! Pwedeng magdala ng ano dito. Kayaking. Tsaka paddleboard. It's nice. O kung ayaw mo palang mag-swimming, next time magdala ka ng bola o kaya badminton. Ayan, maglaro-laro ka doon. O kaya magtimpla ka ng kape habang nanonood ka ng sightseeing, nagkakape ka, di ba? O kaya ayan bring your own foldable chair. Ano pa? Ice cream. Yan. Lakad-lakad lang tayo nang nakatapak. Uy, tama lang ang tubig. Tama lang siya. Medyo alam mo yung temperature ng halimbawa nasa ano ka? Kung nasa Philippines ka, tapos magpunta ka sa mga talon, ganyan. Ganon. Hindi siya, lalo na kaninang mainit. Caring-carry to. Guys, tingnan nyo itong napulot kong bato. Kulay purple siya. Oh.
birthday boy.
Happy birthday! 82nd birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tang! Oh, nagchat-chat ang junior at senior.
Oh, gagagay pa mo ah. Isnis na ro. Naro ko ng isnis.
Marap ka ka.
Naluluto yung ulam.
Marap ka, Beb. Nagchat-chat siya. Bakit? Mura nga yung plan yun. Ano lang klase nga yung din eh. Karakalda.
Bulan. Oh, nanong bulan yan eh? September.
Guys, eto, nandito tayo ngayon.
Awad
We're here. Tapos, dito tayo. Nakastay
Ano yan?
dito. Naglakad tayo from here to there. Time check, exactly 7 a.m. Bye, Windermere Lake. It was nice hanging out.
Bakit hindi mo kahit yung...
Nandogatin yung vest na. Okay. Dala ni Habi yung bag ko. Uwi na tayo sa hotel.
Siguro nakakawada.
Wow. Nalakaya din eh. Salmon.
Salmonella.
Salmonella. Oo, aren. May isda nga kanina. Naglalakad ako sa may pangpang lang, di ba? May mga malilit na isda. Oh, lost salmon! Tama.
Tayo nga, kakasamon na.
Commemorates the lost salmon of the Columbia River. Oh, the last fish was caught in 1939 and has environmental, cultural, and social impacts to the basin and its residents ever since. Oh. Sarap maglakad-lakad. It's not too crowded. Ayos lang. Yung kaninang nakasama namin, kasi nagpipiknik sila, tas yung next table, nakiupo yung mag-ina sa amin. Kapampangan sila, guys. Taga-Angeles. Tas yung isa Bamban. And then, sa Calgary sila. So, from Calgary, itong lugar na to, Invermere, is only 3 hours, 3.5 hours away sa kanila. So, kaya nilang balikan. Nagbalikan lang sila. Umalis sila kaninang 6 p.m. So, makakarating sila mga 9, 9:30 sa Calgary. By the way, daddy daw silang taga Fort Mac. Eh, nung nasunog yung Fort Mac nung 2016, doon sila nakalipat sa Calgary. Alright, time check. 7:17 p.m. Ganda dito. Wow! Look at this. Bango. Wow. I have those ones. Yes. So pretty. Winter 1787 with the pagans. David Thompson, Charlotte Small Thompson.